I know it's a little tricky to see in this video, but the concrete slopes towards the house, so our project today, I went with my laborer and I'm having him cut the concrete real quick to help with not having to beat the pins on the excavator nearly as much. But this concrete slopes towards the house, and the concern is the roots are popping it up. It's kind of a trip hazard. Um, it's kind of directing the water towards the house, and they want raised mulch beds over here. So what I'm doing here is we're removing the concrete patio and we're making room for a gravel patio that'll help take on some of the water and hopefully keep it from going up on the house foundation. So this was a quick job that I was pretty fond of. I had to be a little bit careful of the existing driveway rolling over it with the dump truck. I am a big fan of the smaller dump trucks for jobs like this. You could probably do this job with a skid steer, but part of this was under the house. I know you can't see the overhang in the left corner there, but it just made it a whole lot easier being able to scoop up and pull away, pop the concrete where it's needed. And I did this in 2 trips. I probably could have got away with one, but I was just trying to play it safe on the driveway and make sure, we didn't crack it. So I had my laborer take this to the dump, and yeah, tell me what you guys think of this job. This is for one of my close friends, so obviously this wasn't a killer job, but it was nice, quick, easy Saturday. The family's very happy with the outcome of this project. It was excellent experience in the excavator, and I did really have a good time enjoying this project. It wasn't labor intensive by any means, and we were really able to clean up the property and make some good improvement in one day. And it was, like I said, not labor intensive, easy work. Love running the machine and gaining experience with it all the time. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any tips or questions of how I like this machine, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.